Hi friends, tonight we are making a Chinese smashed cucumber and silken tofu dinner salad. It is raw, fast, cool, and deeply savory, with black vinegar, soy, sesame, and chili crisp doing all the work. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes 20 minutes from start to finish. Let's walk through the fresh ingredients. 2 large seedless cucumbers give this dinner its cool crunch, and seedless cucumbers stay tender after smashing. 14 ounces silken tofu make the salad satisfying enough for dinner, with a soft texture that soaks up the dressing. 1 teaspoon kosher salt draws moisture from the cucumbers, seasoning them while keeping the final salad crisp instead of watery. 3 tablespoons Chinkiang black vinegar bring the signature Chinese tang, deep and mellow rather than sharp. 2 tablespoons light soy sauce adds saltiness and savory depth, so the dressing tastes balanced and rounded. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil gives a nutty aroma that makes this raw salad feel rich and complete. 2 teaspoons chili crisp add gentle heat, crunchy bits, and that beautiful red oil on top. 2 teaspoons granulated sugar soften the vinegar and help the dressing cling to the cucumbers and tofu. 2 cloves garlic bring a sharp fresh bite, and mincing them finely helps their flavor spread through the dressing. 2 scallions add a clean onion flavor and a fresh green finish. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro makes the salad brighter and more aromatic right at the end. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds gives a final nutty crunch that ties the salad together. Begin the preparation by opening 14 ounces silken tofu and carefully sliding it onto a plate. Let it drain while we prepare the cucumbers, so the final salad stays clean and not watery. Now trim 2 large seedless cucumbers at both ends. Keep the skins on, because they add color, texture, and a little snap. With the cucumbers trimmed, smash them gently with a wooden rolling pin until they crack open. The rough edges are important because they catch more dressing than neat slices. Now cut the smashed cucumbers into bite-sized chunks. Aim for uneven pieces about 1 inch wide, so each bite feels crisp and juicy. Move the cucumber chunks to a glass bowl, sprinkle with 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and toss well. Let them sit for 10 minutes so excess liquid comes out. While the cucumbers rest, mince 2 cloves garlic very finely. This keeps the raw garlic bold but evenly spread through the sauce. Next, thinly slice 2 scallions and roughly chop 1/4 cup fresh cilantro. Keep them separate for the fresh finish. Now make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons Chinkiang black vinegar, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 2 teaspoons chili crisp, 2 teaspoons granulated sugar, and the minced garlic. Stir the dressing until the sugar dissolves and the chili oil streaks through the vinegar and soy. Taste it in your mind as tangy, salty, lightly sweet, and nutty. After 10 minutes, pour off the cucumber liquid from the bowl. Give the cucumbers a gentle shake, but do not rinse them, because we want to keep that light seasoning. Now cut the drained 14 ounces silken tofu into thick slabs right on the plate. Use slow, gentle cuts so the tofu stays beautiful and creamy. Spoon the drained smashed cucumbers around and over the tofu. Leave some tofu showing, so the soft white pieces contrast with the crisp green cucumber. Pour all of the dressing over the tofu and cucumbers, making sure the garlic and chili crisp bits land across the top. The raw dinner is coming together right here. Finish with the sliced 2 scallions, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, and 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Let the salad sit for 5 minutes so the dressing settles into the smashed cucumber edges, and the cooking is complete with no heat at all. Here's our Chinese smashed cucumber and silken tofu dinner salad, cool, savory, spicy, and ready just like promised. Serve it right away with steamed rice or enjoy it as a light dinner on its own. If you liked this quick raw recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy meals.